Hey guys, welcome back to another All-Star Cards pack opening. Today we're going to continue our Blast from the Past series and open up some more Topps baseball cards from 1988, 1989, 1990, and 1991. So we're going to open 2 packs of each. And why don't we just go ahead and get started, and we'll start with... We'll go backwards and we'll start with our 91 packs here. Alright. Okay. Anyone hasn't seen any of the other Blast from the Past? There's the packs for everybody to see. 15 pitcher cards and 1 stick of bubblegum. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So there's our gum. And that card got gum stained on the back. Flip it over. There's a little... Oh, get that card. Alright. There's the little instant win game that you can no longer use in the packs. And our first card is a Jerry Don Glinton, Tony Pena, Franklin Stubbs, Eric King, Matt Noakes, Rafael Palmeiro. I like the Rangers, so we'll set that one up there. Alright, John Moses, Mark Grant, Marvel Wynn, I ain't gonna say it, Jeff Kaiser, Rick Honeycutt, Greg Hibbert, and a 1990s record breaker. I guess these were the inserts back then. Alright, so... Two nice cards right there. Let's go ahead and open up our second pack. Alright. Another gum stained card. And again, instant win game card. We got a Ron Gant. Like that. Set him up there. Kevin McReynolds. Jeff Hamilton, Paul Gibson, Brady Anderson, Shane Mack, Ruben Sierra, Felix Jose, Bud Harrelson, Cecil Fielder All-Star card. It's back for everyone to see. Set that up there. Alright. Mike Schooler, Mark Gardner, a Barry Bonds All-Star card, Joe and Dan Pasqua. Alright, so pretty couple cool cards out of that pack. And let's go 1990s here. That's the pack. You get 16 cards in this one. Let's go back for everyone to see. Right, so let's go ahead and see what we get in here. Right, set the gum off to the side, and there's our insert. Bobby Thigpen, a checklist, 1 of 6. Andy Beans, Doug Strange, Jose Gonzalez, Marcus Lawton, Glenn Allen Hill. Let's see, Mets All-Star rookie Greg Jeffries, Mel Hall, Paul Kilgus, Brian Harper, Terry Mulholland, Kurt Stillwell, Gerald Young, Dave Val, and a Greg Walker. There's our second pack. There's our card again. Ryan Sandberg, Steve Lake, Geronimo Baroa, Mike Smithson, Randy Bush, Mark Davis. Another card, or is that this? Yeah. Go come up from behind there. Alright, Jeff Blauser. Domingo Roma. Bruce Ruffin. Glenn Wilson. Carmelo Martinez. Frank Tanana. Kelly Mann. Bob Rogers. Steve Lyons. And a Greg Canal. Alright. We're going to go with our 1989 packs. Get 15 cards in this one. There's the front. And there's the back. Alright. Gum is stuck on the card here. Alright. Insert. Alright. We got a Brad Moore. Dave Meads. Put my hands on it here. Cards are sticking together here. Dave Parker. Greg Olson, #1 draft pick. Dave Otto. Alright, got a Barry Bonds card there. Pirates. Set these cards down here so everybody can see the back of that one. Alright. Pretty nice card. Alright. Tom Browning. Cecil Fielder. Jim Sundberg. Dwayne Ward. Bruce Sutter. Alan Trammell. Andres Galarraga. Gary Ward. And Brett Saberhagen. There's the next pack. I'd say that one had some pretty big names in it. Got this stuff on there. Pull that out. Alright. So we got Astros leaders. Ken Phelps. John Morris. Richard Dotson, Kurt Young, Jose Rio. Got a Phillies leader card. Bo Diaz, Ron Darling, Dave Cone, a Greg Biggio card. There's a back for everyone to see. Nice card. Set that right there. Marvell Wynn, Rick Ruschel, Jody Reed, and the last one in that one is Teddy Hagura. Alright. And then the final packs for this video is a 1988 Topps. Get 15 cards in these packs with your stick of bubblegum. There's the front again for everyone to see, and the back. Alright. Insert card. Marty Barrett, Shane Raleigh, Greg Swindell, Ricky Henderson with the Yankees, and him over here, Mitch Williams, Steve Kiefer, Mike Fitzgerald, Ernie Witt, Don Robinson, Ken Howe, Jerry Reed, Rocky Childress, Lance McCullers, Tigers Leaders, and 87 Record Breakers, Benny Santiago. Pretty cool right there. Alright. That same Ricky Henderson card was a pretty cool one to get right there. And let's go ahead and open up our final pack. And just so everyone knows, I'm probably going to do one more Blast from the Past video, but if you'd like us to do any more Blast from the Past down the road, just let us know in the comments below, and we'll get some more old school cards and we'll show everybody. Alright, so there's our insert. Reds Leaders, Ken Griffey Jr.'s dad with the Braves, like that card. Lee Mazzilli, Neil Allen, Glenn Hoffman, Scott Geralt, Astros Leaders, Mark Clear, Lee Guterman, Vance Law, Joey Meyer, Future Stars, Lee Smith, Ricky Horton, Rick Cerrone, and a Butch Weinger to end the video. Alright, so not quite sure. I don't think we got any like super like crazy cards, but did pull a couple ones that I like, and we'll just kind of recap those. We got a Ken Griffey, Ricky Henderson, Greg Biggio, Andres Galarraga, Alan Trammell, Cecil Fielder, DeBarry Bonds, Steve Lyons, Ryan Sandberg, another Barry Bonds, Cecil Fielder, Ron Gant, 1990 Record Breaker Nolan Ryan, and a Rafael Palmeiro. So, alright, that's going to be all for this Blast from the Past. Tune in next time for another Blast from the Past, and as always, have a good day, and we'll see you next time.